Hello, welcome to Jinpo's Corner, my corner of the world. For this episode, we're going to be unboxing yung Funko Fanatic Philippines exclusive na Jollibee na nakuha natin ng Christmas party. So ito siya. Actually, dalawa yung nakuha natin. So ito naka-protector na kasi hindi ito yung unbox natin. Ito. So this is Pop Ad Icons number 234 from Jollibee. Si Jollibee, and this is the glow in the dark variant ng 234 or yung new iteration ng Jollibee, and this is a Funko Fanatic Philippines exclusive limited edition to 3,000 pieces. So isa to dun sa mga ni-reveal na variants ng bagong iteration ng Jollibee na 234. So, back in July and August, may pinakitang picture ng new iteration ng Jollibee, which is the Jollibee 234. Ito sila. So, yun yung initial picture na nag-leak. So, makikita nyo. Although, iba yung sticker nung una. Kasi yung sticker na is yung Toy Expo ng Toy Kingdom. So, yun na is the Pop Ad Icon ng 234 na common variant. And then, yung second is yung glittered variant naman na nirelease ng Super Manila this year. And then ito nga na i-unbox natin today is yung Glow in the Dark na released through Funko Fanatic Philippines sa Christmas party. And then dito sila yung pictures nila out of the box. Then makikita nyo medyo maiting yung pagkapulan niya. In-unbox na natin siya dati, and we actually compared it with the OG or yung number 30 na at icons. And second picture is yung glittered variant, which is sulit na sulit sa pagkakaroon ng glitter. And itong last is a Glow in the Dark. Alright, so here are the two initial variants. So ito yung una. Nakuha natin back in July sa Toy Kingdom Toy Expo. So this is Pop Ad Icons number 234, and this is the common variant. So it's a clear, naka-protect na siya. And then yung second variant is yung nakuha natin sa Super Manila. So Pop Ad Icons number 234 na glittered variant ni Jollibee. And then tatlo yung sticker niya. Yung glittered sticker, then yung Fantastic Limited Edition 3,000 pieces, and then yung Super Manila kung saan siya nirelease. Okay. So of course, meron tayong sariling pictures nito. Papakita natin yan, and then we'll go ahead and check out the unboxed na Glow in the Dark variant ng Jollibee. Okay, so nakita nyo rin doon sa short clip at the end nung after ng pictures na i-unbox natin. Actually, andun din siya sa video nung nakuha natin siya, in-unbox natin siya mismo din sa Christmas party. The reason for that is because yung box niya is deformed na. So if you would notice, I'm not sure kung manonood, pero hindi siya pantay na yung naka-usli siya yun. Hindi siya pantay. Dahil yon sa clamp na deformed. So I'm not sure kung mapapansin nyo, pero hindi siya maayos kung titingnan sa ilalim. Again, ito. Naka-usli siyang ganyan. Nakabukol. Anyways, this is it. So this is him. So this is Jollibee na glow in the dark version. And then this is not like yung glow in the dark na nakabarong, wherein yung barong lang yung nag-glow. So dito, I've seen pictures, and yun nga yung mga yung mga part usually na nag-glow is yung magaspang. So with this, yung muka is magaspang, not dies. Hindi rin yung sombrero. So yung gloves is magaspang, yung dilaw, and then itong sapatos. So practically yung face, yung white parts ng damit, Not sure kung puti ito. Yeah. Magaspang din to. Medyo may gaspang din to. Pero yung iba normal na. So yung face, yung white, yung yellow stripes, yung shoes niya, and then yung gloves, and then yung white. So yun yung nag-glow. We haven't made any pictures or we haven't taken any pictures na nag-glow siya. Although I've seen some na nag-post ng mga Funko Pops nila na nag-glow. And we also grabbed a picture sa Google na nag-glow. So ito siya. Let's check it out. Okay, so there you go. So it's just a quick unboxing of the newest or the last variant, 234, Jollibee 234, which is the glow in the dark. So, and then meron tayong dalawa, so which means yung isa would be in box and then the other one would be OO. Or ito na siya. Mainly siya, napili ko siya kasi siya yung merong deformed box. Alright, there you go. So of course wala tayong paikot. Hindi na nga natin masyadong nagagamit yung paikot nito. But eventually, definitely next year, magagamit na natin. Alright, so there you go. So we'll go ahead and check out the comment shoutouts from the previous episode, the thank you portion, and the giveaway mechanics for our 12 Days of Christmas giveaway event na matatapos na kasi ito yung last video na meron secret word or clue.
Shoutout sa iyo, BRS TV. Maraming salamat sa suporta.
Maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta sa akin at sa channel, sa mga nanonood ng mga video, sa mga nagko-comments, sa mga nagla-likes, and sa mga nagla-dislikes. And most especially dito sa mga Corner Crew members na walang sawang sumusuporta sa channel at sa akin. So thank you very much for all of your support. So wala tayong masyadong updates. I would only like to say na among the 3 variants ng Jollibee 234, although ito yung pinaka-exclusive kasi nirelease siya sa Christmas party, although if I would know, syempre meron pang ibibenta kasi hindi naman umabot sa 3,000 or even 1,000 yung mga attendees ng Christmas party. So definitely merong mga stores or ibibenta rin yung fantastic yung other o yung mga natitira kasi 3,000, limited to 3,000 pieces lang. So there's still a lot more. And then announced then each variant is limited to 3,000 pieces as well. So in regards to the exclusivity, pare-parehas sila. So, pero yung take ko dun sa tatlo, ang pinaka-best or yung pinaka-paborito ko sa kanilang tatlo is the glittered one. Kasi siya yung pinaka-kompleto, siya yung pinaka-marami, siya yung talagang binigyan ng ubod ng daming glitter dun sa kanilang tatlo. Although, of course, maganda rin yung glow in the dark, pero my take, the best among the 3 is the glittered variant. Alright, so kanina may nakita na naman kayong secret word na nag-pop up sa screen niyo. So, yun yung pinaka-last and yun yung i-include yung secret word on the next episode or the final episode for this 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. But for this episode, make sure to include the secret word na nakita nyo on the previous episode and include it sa comment nyo on this episode to make sure that your comment or your entry is valid. Sa mga gustong humula, I do remember na meron ng humula si Sir Ray Trinidad, humula na dun sa odd and even prices natin. So throw in your guesses as well. Unli hula naman. So kahit anong hula nyo, wala namang mali. Pero yung pinakatama, yung pinakakompleto would definitely win whatever is the odd or even price. We'll actually wait for those guesses na dumami hanggang sa may makahula siguro or whatnot. And then we'll do the live for the 12 Days of Christmas event. Alright, there you go. So I'll leave you with that. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Do whatever makes you happy as long as you don't step on other people's happiness. Thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. So kakanta na naman tayo sa Jollibee. Bida ang saya.